embracing the shift, stepping into the fifth dimension. We stand at the cusp of a profound transformation, a moment in time where the old ways of being are giving way to something entirely new and extraordinary. This shift in consciousness, often referred to as the 5D energy shift, is a journey that invites us to explore the depths of our inner selves. It is not merely a change in our external world, but a profound internal awakening that touches every aspect of our being. This awakening is about moving from a place of fear, doubt, and separation to a reality grounded in love, unity, and expanded awareness. The fifth dimension is not a physical place we travel to, but a state of being that we cultivate within ourselves. It's about raising our vibration, expanding our consciousness, and aligning with a higher frequency that resonates with the essence of who we truly are. This shift is a process, a journey of self-discovery, healing, and transformation that unfolds uniquely for each individual. As we awaken to this new paradigm, we begin to experience life through a different lens, one that is more attuned to the subtle energies and deeper truths of existence. We become more intuitive, compassionate, and connected to ourselves, each other, and the planet. Our relationships deepen, and our sense of community strengthens. This is a time of great opportunity, a chance to create a world that reflects our highest potential and the collective dreams of humanity. It's a call to step into our power, embrace our true nature, and co-create a future filled with love, peace, and abundance. This journey is not just for the few, but for all who are willing to open their hearts and minds to the possibilities that lie ahead. Together we can build a new reality, one that honors the interconnectedness of all life and celebrates the beauty of our shared existence. Let us embrace this shift with open arms and hearts full of hope. The fifth dimension awaits us not as a distant dream, but as a living, breathing reality that we can access here and now. The time is now to step into this new way of being and to live our lives with purpose, joy, and infinite love.
My healing journey, from skeptic to believer. My own journey into the world of energy healing began with skepticism. I was the kind of person who needed to see to believe, and the concept of energy healing seemed far-fetched to me. I was raised in a traditional household where the unseen was often dismissed. My family valued science and logic, and anything that couldn't be explained by these principles was considered dubious. Then, I experienced a series of personal challenges that left me feeling lost and depleted. These challenges were not just physical, but emotional and spiritual as well. I felt like I was carrying the weight of the world on my shoulders. Conventional methods provided little relief, so I began exploring alternative healing modalities. I read books, watched documentaries, and even attended a few workshops. Each step brought me closer to the world of energy healing. My first Reiki session was a revelation. I went in with an open mind but low expectations. To my surprise, I felt a warmth and a sense of peace that I had never experienced before. I felt a deep sense of peace and a release of long-held tension. It was as if a heavy burden had been lifted off my shoulders. This experience made me realize that there was more to healing than what meets the eye. It was the beginning of a profound healing journey. I started to incorporate energy healing practices into my daily routine, and slowly but surely, I began to notice significant changes in my overall well-being. Through energy work, I discovered the power of our own innate healing abilities. I learned that we all have the capacity to heal ourselves, and that energy healing is a tool that can help us tap into this potential. I learned how to release energetic blocks, clear limiting beliefs, and step into my authentic power. These practices not only helped me heal, but also transformed my life in ways I never thought possible. Now, it is my passion to share these transformative tools with others. I believe that everyone deserves to experience the profound benefits of energy healing, and I am dedicated to helping others on their own healing journeys.
Trauma's echo. When unresolved pain lingers. Often we carry the echoes of past traumas within our energetic fields. These unresolved wounds can manifest as emotional blockages, limiting beliefs, and even physical ailments. When we experience trauma, the energy of that event can become trapped in our bodies. This trapped energy can create imbalances in our energy system, leading to a variety of issues. We might find ourselves repeating unhealthy patterns, struggling to form healthy relationships, or feeling stuck in cycles of fear and anxiety. The good news is that these energetic imprints can be healed, allowing us to break free from the past and create a brighter future. Energy healing, releasing the blocks to joy. Energy healing offers a powerful pathway to address these deep-seated wounds. By working with the subtle energy systems of the body, we can release these blockages and restore balance and harmony. There are many different forms of energy healing, each with its own unique approach. Some popular modalities include Reiki, acupuncture, Qigong, and EFT, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. These practices work by tapping into the body's natural ability to heal itself. They can help to clear stagnant energy, balance the chakras, and promote a sense of well-being. By addressing the root cause of our suffering at an energetic level, we can experience profound shifts in our physical, emotional, and spiritual health.
Grounding practices, finding stability in a shifting world. In these times of rapid change and uncertainty, finding stability is more important than ever. As we navigate the fifth-dimensional energy shift, it's essential to cultivate practices that help us stay grounded and centered. These practices not only help us maintain our balance but also enhance our overall well-being. Grounding helps us to feel rooted and connected to the earth, providing a sense of stability amidst change. It allows us to draw strength and calm from the natural world, which can be incredibly soothing during turbulent times. One simple grounding technique is to walk barefoot on the earth. This practice, often referred to as earthing, can help us reconnect with the planet's natural energies. Feel the grass or sand beneath your feet and visualize roots growing from your feet into the earth. Imagine these roots anchoring you firmly, providing a steady foundation. Another effective practice is to work with grounding crystals, such as black tourmaline or hematite. These crystals are known for their ability to help us stay centered and balanced. Hold the crystal in your hand and visualize its energy anchoring you to the earth. Feel its stabilizing force flow through you, creating a sense of calm and security. By incorporating grounding practices into our daily routines, we can navigate the challenges of this transformative time with greater ease and grace. These practices not only help us stay balanced, but also enhance our connection to the world around us, fostering a deeper sense of peace and resilience.
Meditation offers a sanctuary amidst the busyness of life, allowing us to connect with our inner wisdom and cultivate a sense of peace. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and turn your attention to your breath. As you focus on your breath, thoughts may arise. Simply observe them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Consistent meditation practice can help to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and enhance self-awareness. It allows us to access higher states of consciousness and connect with our intuition.
Nature is a powerful ally in our journey of healing and transformation. Spending time in nature helps us to reconnect with our true essence and align with the natural rhythms of life. Take a walk in the woods, sit by a lake, or simply feel the sun on your skin. As you immerse yourself in the natural world, allow yourself to be present and observe the beauty around you. Nature has a way of soothing our souls and reminding us of our connection to something greater than ourselves. It is a source of grounding, inspiration, and renewal.
As we individually embrace the 5D energy shift and embark on our healing journeys, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond ourselves. When we heal ourselves, we heal the world around us. Our transformed energy influences our relationships, our communities, and the planet as a whole. The more of us who awaken to our true nature and embrace love, compassion, and unity, the closer we come to creating a world that reflects these values. This is a collective awakening, a journey we are meant to take together. The 5D energy shift is an invitation to step into our power, embrace our true potential, and co-create a future filled with love, peace, and abundance. It's a time to release the old paradigms of fear and separation and embrace a new way of being, one that is rooted in unity, compassion, and interconnectedness. This is a journey of awakening, of remembering who we truly are and why we are here. It's a call to step into our roles as conscious creators and co-create a world that reflects our highest aspirations. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. Let us choose to create a future filled with love, light, and infinite possibilities.